Spanish has a specific characteristic, which is that when we talk to someone, second person, so a you, we've got two ways of doing it. We've got a formal way and an informal way. Now, as a rule of thumb, an informal way would be when you talk to family members or friends, or someone more or less your age that, you may just casually meet at some stage. The formal way would be traditionally used when you talk to older people or very respectful people in society. And if you ever have the situation that you really want to show respect for whatever reason, because it is your client, because it is the person about to sell you, I don't know, a train ticket, or you go to the reception of a hotel and you want to show respect, in that case, you will use the formal you, okay? And let's learn how to do this. So, for example, if we say, ¿Dónde estás tú? Okay, that would mean, where are you? Okay, ¿Dónde estás tú? Okay, if we want to convert that into formal Spanish, we will say, ¿Dónde está usted? I will say both and you will try and detect the difference. Are you ready? Okay. ¿Dónde estás tú? ¿Dónde está usted? Okay, so instead of saying tú, you will say usted to make it formal. And also the verb, in this case, estar, okay, you will not say ¿Dónde estás? You will say ¿Dónde está usted? Okay, we can learn more about all the different conjugations of the verbs, but here we are learning how to show respect, how to get started and cause that very good first impression. Okay, now you could also say things like ¿Cómo estás? Okay, how are you? Or if you want to show respect, you would say ¿Cómo está usted? Okay, ¿Cómo está usted? Now, let's say that you are meeting not one person, but two people or more. Okay? In this case, usted would turn into ustedes. Okay, that would be the plural form. Okay? That's like the you plural, like you all, you too. Okay? Ustedes. So, for example, if we want to say, how are you? And there are three people in front of you, you would say, ¿Cómo están ustedes? Okay? So, even though you are not an expert Spanish speaker at this stage, even though you are still at the beginner phase, okay, you will be able to recognize words like usted, okay, and in that case, you will be able after this lesson to say, oh, I know that, okay, that's a way of showing respect, okay, in the way we interact with other people.